Hello everyone, Sai here. Thank you so much for joining me for my first video of the year featuring Kendra Card Challenge number 13. I hope you're all excited as I am for the new challenge of the year. This is running from January to March, and you have a chance to win fabulous prizes from many brands. And you can enter 15 cards each month. So that's January, February, and March for more chances to win. If you're not familiar with this challenge, essentially what you do is you take six 6x6 sheets of pattern paper, you follow the guide that is provided by Kendra herself, and you create 15 cards. All you need to do is add your sentiments, stamps, dies, any other little fun elements you would like to add. And then you submit that to the Facebook group and you are eligible for, like I said, many great prizes. It is free to join, and I will put the information in the description box below where you can find the link to download it. I am joining my design team colleagues to create all 15 cards this time around, and I'm going to be focusing on sketch 2 and 3. So the products that I am featuring, and they are a super sponsor, is Kraftin Kimmie Stamps, and I really love these birds. It's called Seasons Tweetings. Once again, in the description box below, you will find where to find the stamp set. This card and the next one are still Christmassy themed. I still haven't got that out of my system yet, but I really love these birds. They're just really cute, and there's 4 of them, and I just love how they're drawn. So what I'm doing here is following the sketch fairly closely, except I'm not going to use a word die or a large sentiment. I'm going to have a small sentiment and have my birds kind of sandwiching around the sentiment, and then adding a little bit of dimension because that diamond shape is kind of lifted with multiple layers. So I'll do the equivalent number of layers underneath the wing and the tails. And this is just so that the image doesn't sag. It's going to be nice and flush where it's positioned. The hashtag, if you are interested in seeing all the other ones, will be KCC13 giveaway hop. So you can search that, or you can go into the description below and there will be a full list of all the participants, and you can just jump from here and there. Right now, to finish this card off, I am using that little banner. If you look at the cutting guide, this little banner has a little comment on it and it says inside. What that means is it's just an extra little piece. It's not part of the sketch, but you can decorate the inside of your card with it if you would like. In my case, I decided I would add it to my design. So it's up to you what you want to do with it. You don't need to use it. It's just an extra little piece that can be tossed away if you do not want to use it. Now, to finish the last piece, I'm adding my little dots. I always forget to do these, and so this time I'm remembering, and I'm just using a piece of scrap that is the same as the diamond, and I cut 3 little holes using my hole punch, and I'm gluing them right into the top right hand corner there. And that's this card. Nice and Christmassy for after Christmas. I'm getting prepared for next year's cards. Okay, card number 3, or sketch number 3. This one, I have a lot of fun. I think you can have great fun with this one because you have this big, huge empty space, and it says right in it, build a scene here. So you are free to do what you would like. You can use die cuts. You can mask and create scenes. You can do whatever you'd like. You can leave it a big blank square if you'd like. It's all up to you. I decided to create a very simple scene using this owl and a scarf holding a letter, and it's zipping through the night, and it says, "Have a tweet holiday." I think that was really cute, and I just found a piece of red cardstock that matched the red in my scarf on the owl, and using that as the background to kind of tie it together. Now, to participate in this video hop, we are doing it a little bit differently. You will need a passcode and who the YouTube video you're following is, and that allows you to enter multiple times per video hop. My code is Gina K. So when you're filling out the form for chances to win a prize, put Gina K and then my YouTube channel. Once again, my passcode is Gina K, and you have until January 12th to fill this in. So there you go. There's card number 2, sketch number 3, and I hope you enjoyed that. I will look forward to see what everyone creates, and please check out the other designers. They have created some fantastic cards, and I will catch you all later. So until the next time, take care, have a lovely day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.